Never have I ever had sex outside. When I have. Not in the house, outdoors.
Oh, of course. When I was oh, this museum is like
I've missed out on life.
You have.
Hello, Sunny Nani, welcome back. Still with my fellow love technician, Nonto R.
Hi.
Same day, same outfit, same hotel, same chair, same everything, same hunger.
No, it's just a setup.
Yeah. So when I know, how would you know if you are in a room, say with 10 girls, none of you, all of you are wearing the same color, same size, and then they were put in the corner and they said, sniff them and tell us which one it is.
I think ingazizwa kodwa iphumela because ngiyazazi zinqaba uthini kanjani. Nenkomo yami ngiyayazi ukuthi inuka kanjani. Yonke into ngiyayazi. It's different.
So if you made a mistake, do you know your husband's smell? So sometimes you're like, I miss him.
Well, not I miss him. Kodwa like ukuthi nje. Okay, ngiyathanda iququ lo muntu sesemabili namakhwapha. It's very sexy.
How is that sexy?
I don't know. Kodwa it's mainly. I think that's why I could never be lesbian.
You like that smell?
Ngithanda nje like everything good or bad about a man. Like that reminds me. Ikhwapha lendoda nje ikhwapha lendoda uyalizwa ukuthi lo muntu wesilisa ke alikho as strong but not like lo muntu esifazane weak. Elendoda nje lizwakala ukuthi baba womuzi ke lo akagezi kwanamhlanje.
Never have I ever had an STD.
I have.
Huh? Yeah. Tell us. So, you know, I've never had one.
I was pregnant with my first child. I was like 20 years old. And then during the pregnancy, I was like 6-7 months. It's
Intwana.
Phela ngangithi mina ikhizane ngizawo ikhizane lifunani manje like mina ngilahle phandle. And then kanti njoba ngisho ikhizane lifunani khona umama kwamakhelane ongizwayo. Wathi hawu ingane kalindiwe nentwala. And then I went to a hospital. Babezongenza C-section. But then kwagcina kuzaleka. So babezokwenza C-section it's bayagunda. Ngokumhlophe la.
Wena malokhuzana
intwana. Ngagula nganyuka kambi like you know manje amakhala ama strong because I was still studying ISS. Nithi mangabe yabo uma uhleli kanje mhlambi and then during the conversation like vele kuthi iphuma
and you would smell it and would other people smell it
bengezwe vele ngiqo or mhlambi
babezwa bengatshela
ngiqoqe ongihlale kanje ngihambe ngithola mhlambi ngiyisule phinde ngibuye. It was really terrible. And then I went to the doctor. Ngaya uma waqala ngisakumunye ubaba wangichaza but akuphilanga ngiphuma. Ngachatha yabona le nto
uchatha inkomo noma uchatha
ngemuva yabona idonsekela yabona into enjalo uma uchathile idonsekela so uyaphuma kudoti manje kodwa still ngenuka.
I'm so sorry that you go through that yes all.
Ase ngiyadokotela hawu ngaba right.
And what did you say to baby daddy?
What's why
I'm doing
Agazi ukusipenza ngana kanjani.
Yes.
Uyikhumbula nje eleni big days. Also, what happened? I can't remember.
Azakhuhlakala amantombazane. Okay,
Okay.
never ever had an STI. Never have I ever made a sex tape.
I have.
Nonto.
No, but I did it with my husband. And then we created a vault, like Saifuhla corner. And then I think we deleted it eventually. God, it was nice to watch.
You watch yourself? I don't think I can ever watch myself.
Oh, God, not.
To watch yourself? What if it leaked?
Video. Oh, it leaked.
Community service. Never have I ever been fooling around with someone and had a cop stop and ask, is everything alright there? Miss Mpoise, looks like you
I
have.
think I have.
Where? In the car? Where?
Ayangazi. Mhlambe emandeni. Oh, kodwa nje like we do stuff. Basically, we do stuff.
Yes. Okay, these are just instructions. Never have I ever slept in a bed with more than 5 people. Doesn't have to be 6, just more than 5 people.
I think I have. Like, you know, girls, one, normal kunomshado, and then all the rooms are occupied, and then you sleep kanje, facing the opposite side of the bed again.
Never have I ever had sex outside. When I have. Not in the house, outdoors.
Oh, of course. When I was oh, this museum is like
I've missed out on life.
you have. Yo, like I've had sex at the movies. I've had sex.
Movies?
Hey.
With other people there?
No, there was no one. It was
just the 2 of you.
I've had sex in Phuket.
Oh.
At the beach.
Were you not scared
Behind a rock.
to be stopped and arrested in Thailand?
No. We scanned our surroundings nicely. Yeah, it was a nice experience, Shane. Like whenever I see that rock in pictures, I'm like,
When?
Rock of Ages.
Never have I ever fooled around in my sibling's bed.
No, because I'm the one who buys the beds at home.
Never have I ever owned a vibrator.
No.
Why?
Bueno,
I have a lot. Different shapes, different sizes.
I've always had dick around. So I think that's.
You don't need the fake one, you've got the real one around. I've got loads. I often get them because I always get these weird shows.
Plus, when you travel and you're always alone.
No, I actually don't use it. I tried, but it's just not me. I'm a huggy lover, but I have a lot of vibrators that I get from shows and from promotions.
Oh.
Yeah. Sometimes I give them away. Like my friends know, if you want a vibrator, you come to my house.
I should probably try one. I think I'd enjoy vibrator because I enjoy my fingers.
More than your husband. No, don't answer that.
Say it all.
Say it all. Never have I ever used any household piece as a sex toy, then put it back.
No.
I have. I've used a fork and a steak knife. Last question. Unfortunately, we've come to the end
of the game.
Never have I ever fooled around with a really close friend just to see what it was like.
I'm not I probably have. And and like then you realize later, fuck, I've ruined a good friendship.
We shouldn't have done that.
But it was probably just kissing.
And
then you
get jealous when you see them
Well,
again.
yes.
I like the hair color.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nonto R, for being part of my favorite game. I had so much fun playing with you. I got to know you a little better than I thought I did. You are more R than I thought you were. You were just Nonto. Now you are the real Nonto R. Very R. Very R.
Yeah, S and L. Yeah, thank you so much. I had a good time. We're just chilling. There's no food. We are hungry, but
everywhere is closed, guys. And the hotel staff is just so rude.
But mean, they're like,
they're so mean.
We are closed, and then Thenjiwe was like, why? And then she just walked away. And such a big hotel, this is. The staff's are corner. No more shooting about after hours. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
They should have had room service though. Such a big, beautiful hotel, and
room service. No, we closed.
Everything's closed in Durban. Not everything is closed in Durban, but that's what she said. Anyway, thank you so much. Maybe if we ate, we were not even gonna have time to play the game.
Because we're so cut out. So
thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. It's free.
Yeah.
Mahala.
Smart. There are no monthly costs, nothing. Oh, she misses.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.